Hey everyone, thank you for tuning in to another video by me. This video is going to be a little different as I'm going to be talking about a little side project that our coding club has been working on. This video is so important to us because we are officially 90 days away from our project. On February 18th, 2025, we will be hosting our main event called NRGHacks. NRGHacks is a hackathon for high school students around the GTA. I hope that you will all be able to join us that day. A hackathon is similar to a DECA event, but with a little more focus on code, technology, and product creation. Let's ask Google to define a hackathon. Hey Google, what is a hackathon?
A hackathon is a collaborative event where people work together to create a prototype or product in a short amount of time.
The goal of our project is to give high school students a fair opportunity to compete in a tech-based event while giving you the opportunity to create something amazing as well. We'll also provide workshops to teach you some fundamental skills in programming, and we'll give you a chance to network with various university students and professionals that will be helping us as judges and panelists. This project so far has seen its ups and downs. Aurora Public Library has graciously accepted to host the event, and we're forever grateful for their amazing team. However, we didn't get our grant, which we worked so hard for all of October. Our entire team is currently working really hard to bring sponsors and goodies for you by next February, so wait on us to give you updates throughout the year. We'll see you then, and keep on hacking.